Welcome to the first chapter and the first lesson in this module, Rhythm 1. So for this entire module, this entire chapter, we're just going to be talking about rhythm. So what is rhythm? So rhythm is sound grouped into patterns, and the patterns are made through sound and silence. Rhythm is like a light bulb. It's either on or it's off. When it's on, there's sound. When it's off, there's silence. So if you think about it this way, we're not going to worry about whether a sound is low or high. We're just going to think, okay, is there sound or is there no sound? Another way of thinking about this is binary, the computer language with ones and zeros. 1 is there sound, 0 is there silence. So when we think about rhythm, we're only going to think in terms of is there sound and is there silence? Not what kind of sound is there? We'll get to that later. We're just thinking, is there sound and is there silence? So rhythm defines the passage of time through the presence and absence of sound. Rhythm can be fast, slow, loud, quiet. Rhythm can speed up and rhythm can slow down. So what we're going to do now is we're going to listen to an example of rhythm, and I'm going to talk you through the different things that are happening as we listen. So this is example 1 from your book, Rhythm. This is an African kind of rhythm. But listen, we're not worried about what these different sounds sound like. You can hear that there's a sound and then there's silence. Slowing down, speeding up. See, rhythm can speed up. Faster, faster. Getting quiet. Getting very quiet. And slowing down. So this example is pretty interesting because there's a lot going on. There's different drums, there's different percussion instruments. We can hear that each instrument is making a sound and then there's silence, and that's how we're hearing that there's rhythm. So again, here, there's sound and silence. We're not worried about how high or how low a sound is. So those are all examples of rhythm, where there is sound and there is silence, and we hear that things are happening just based off the fact that there is sound and then there is silence. I will see you in the next lesson. If you found any part of this video useful, helpful, or interesting, I highly recommend right now going to grab the 10 things every gamer should know about music theory. It is a free download for you. You will not find this information anywhere else in all of these videos, and you can get that right now for free. Go check out the link. It's in the description and also in the pinned comment below this video. I will see you in the next one.